In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Firebase Analytics in your Android app. We'll start by creating a Firebase project and registering your Android app. Head to the Firebase console in your browser and create a new project. When you're asked about Google Analytics, enable it to unlock richer insights and easier debugging later. Follow the prompts to finish creating the project, then choose the option to add an Android app. You'll be asked for your app's package name. You can find this in Android Studio as the application ID in your app-level Gradle file or at the top of your Android manifest. Enter it exactly as it appears. This must match for everything to work smoothly. Next, download the configuration file that Firebase generates for you, called Google Services JSON. Place this file in your app module's root directory in Android Studio, usually the app folder where you see the src directory and the module level build.gradle. Don't rename the file and make sure you don't accidentally drop it in the project root. If you ever change your package name, you'll need to download a new file that matches. Now let's connect your project to Firebase with the SDAs and plugin. In your project level Gradle file, add the Google Services plugin so Gradle knows how to process the configuration file. Then open your module level Gradle file, apply the Google Services plugin there as well, and add the Firebase Bill of Materials, often called the BOM, along with the dependency for Firebase Analytics. The BOM keeps all Firebase library versions aligned and simplifies updates. Versions change frequently, so check the Firebase documentation for the latest plugin and BOM versions. When you're done, sync your project so Gradle can download everything. If the sync fails, double-check your internet connection, proxy settings, and that you applied the plugin to the correct files. With setup complete, you can start using Firebase Analytics in your app. Basic usage, like automatic event collection, begins as soon as you run the app on a device or emulator. For custom events, initialize a Firebase Analytics instance in your activity, typically in onCreate, and then log events with clear names and parameters. Keep event names concise, follow recommended naming guidelines, and avoid sending any sensitive or personally identifiable information. To verify things are working, open the Firebase console and use Debug View to see events in real time while your app is running in debug mode. That's it. Create the project and register your app, add the configuration file, integrate the SDKs with the plugin and BOM, and then initialize analytics for custom events. You now have a solid foundation to measure user behavior and grow your app with data-driven insights.